Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy Shopify store design. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically when we are talking about store designs means we are talking about themes. And to see the themes, we will need just to go to our theme library or just find out of our themes here. So now all we need to do is to start copy and pasting from our theme, and then you can paste it into another store, for example. So let's go to another store. Maybe we have this one, and then we can go to online store, and from here we will have another theme. So basically, either we can start copy and pasting some snippets if you do not want to copy all the Shopify store design. So if we want only some snippets, we are going to click on edit code. And from here, for example, I will just simply copy and paste, for example, this file. I'm just going to select and then go for this file and go to edit code. And from here, I will just paste it. And now I will have, for example, changes. And of course, there is no changes since they are the same file and the same theme. But you can do that for any theme, for any store you like. But the more practical way to change to copy your design is by simply to change or to download your theme file. And basically it will download all the changes of design that you have, and it will add them into a zip file. And after that you will need just to download this file into another store. So for example, you will have in your theme library like that, you will be able to add a theme, and then you will upload a zip file, and it will be the zip file that you have downloaded from your desired store. So you download theme file, then you upload the downloaded zip file, and you will have your store that has been cloned or copied successfully. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.